How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 13. That same day, Jesus comot from the house, go sit down for Galilee waterside. Many people gather around am. So he enter one boat, and all the people stand for ground near the water. He come use parable teach them many things.
See, e get one farmer wey go plant for him farm. As he dey plant, some seed fall for road and bird come chop them. Some fall for sand wey get big stone. The seed quick grow because the sand not deep. So when sun come out, e burn them. And because their root not deep well, dem come die. Some seed fall for shukushuku. Dem grow, but the shukushuku shook them die. But some seed fall for better ground. Dem grow well, come bear other seeds. Some bear reach 100, some 60, and some 30. Anybody wey get ear, make e hear.
Then the disciples come meet Jesus, ask am,
why you dey talk to these people with parable?
Jesus come answer them.
God don make una know all the secret things about him kingdom. But these people no know. Person wey get something, dem go give am more, and wetin he get go come plenty. But person wey no get anything, even the small one wey he get, dem go take am from am. Na him make I dey talk with parable say, these people get eye, but dem no dey see. Dem get ear, but dem no dey hear or understand. Na this thing make wetin prophet Isaiah talk happen. Una go listen well, but una no go understand. Una go look well, but una no go see anything. These people no go fit understand. Dem no wan hear anything. Dem close their eyes, make dem no for fit see, and hear with their ear. Their mind don block, so dem no go fit understand. But if to say dem fit turn come meet me, I for heal them. But God go bless una eye, because dem dey see well, and una ear, because dem dey hear word. I tell una true word, many prophets and good people don wait tire, make dem for hear and see wetin una dey see, but dem no see or hear am. So make una understand wetin the farmer parable mean. When person hear God word and he no understand am, the devil go come thief the word wey dey plant for him heart. This na the seed wey fall for road. The seed wey fall for sand wey get big stone. Na person wey hear the word, come receive am with joy. But the seed no get root, because the word wey he hear no strong for him heart. So when trouble come, he no go fit bear am. The seed wey fall for shukushuku, na person wey hear God word, but wahala, long throat, and to quick get money for this world, come shook the word die for him heart, and he no come bear fruit. But the seed wey fall for better ground, na person wey hear and understand the word, he come bear fruit wey reach 100, 60, and 30.
Jesus come tell him disciples another parable.
God kingdom be like when person plant good seed for him land. But for night, when everybody dey sleep, the enemy go plant grass join them. When the seeds grow, come dey bear fruit, the grass come dey grow too. So the servants come tell their oga say, no be good seed we plant for your farm, na where the grass from come? The oga come answer, na enemy plant am. So him servant say, you wan make we go root them comot? But he can't tell them, no. If una go pull the grass comot, una fit make mistake, pull some from the good seeds too. Make the good seeds and the grass grow together until harvest. That time, I go tell the people wey dey harvest say, make una first root all the grass, tie and burn them. Then gather the good seeds, put inside my store.
Jesus can't tell them another parable.
God kingdom be like mustard seed wey one man plant for him farm. Na the seed small pass, but when e grow, na the plant big pass other plants for the farm, and different birds come build house for him branch.
Jesus still tell them another parable.
God kingdom be like yeast wey one woman take bake bread. E mix am with plenty flour, and the small yeast come make the bread rise well.
Jesus talk all these things for parable to the people. Everything wey he tell them na parable he use. He do am so that wetin the prophet talk go happen.
I go open my mouth talk parable. I go talk everything wey be secret since God create this world.
Then Jesus can't leave the people enter inside house. Him disciples can't tell am.
Tell us wetin the grass parable for farm mean.
Jesus answer them.
The person wey plant the good seed na God pikin. The farm na the world, and the good seed na the kingdom people. The grass na devil children, and the enemy wey plant them na the devil. The harvest na the last days, and the harvest workers na the angels for heaven. Just as them gather the grass burn them for fire, na so e go be for the last day. God pikin go send in angels make them go remove everything inside the kingdom wey dey make people sin and break God law. They go throw them inside fire when not dey quench, where them go cry and grind their teeth. Then God people go shine like sun inside their papa kingdom. Anybody wey get ear make him hear. God kingdom be like gold wey them bury for field. One person wey see am come hide am. With happiness he go sell everything wey he get, buy the land. Again, God kingdom be like trader wey dey look for better gold to buy. When he see one gold wey dear well, he come go sell everything wey he get, buy am. Again, God kingdom be like net for sea wey catch different fish. When the net full, then drag am comot from the water, come sit down begin put the good fish inside different container and throw away all the bad one. Na so e go be for the day when the world go end. Angels go come separate evil people from the good one, and they go throw the evil people inside their fire, where they go cry and grind their teeth.
Jesus asked them.
Una understand all these things?
Dem come answer.
Yes.
Then Jesus come tell them.
Anybody wey dey teach the law and he be disciple for God kingdom go be like person wey get house, come bring new and old things come out from inside the house.
When Jesus talk the parable finish, he come comot for there. Then he reach in village, come begin teach the people for their synagogue. Then surprise well, come say,
where this man from get this kind sense and power wey he take dey do miracle sef?
No be the capital pikin be this, no be Mary be im mama, James, Joseph, Simon and Judas, no be their brother he be?
No be all his sisters dey stay here with us o? Na from where he forget all this power?
So dem come dey vex for am. But Jesus tell them,
prophet dey get respect for everywhere except for your own village and among him family.
So Jesus not do many miracles for there because them not believe am.
With time we go know the truth, and the truth will set us free. Make una like this video, share am and follow am.